So I just got this hair dryer. I think it was originally $59, but it came with a $25 rebate, so the price is pretty reasonable. I just figured I'd let you guys listen to how loud it is. So this is on low. And that was high. So it's a bit louder than what I'm used to. And also it's just a little bit heavier as well. It's not one of these lightweight ones. It's not super heavy, but if it takes a while to dry your hair, it might take a little bit of getting used to. So it does come with a diffuser and a comb attachment, and it comes with these two different attachments as well. So you can see there's a little bit of difference in the width of them and in the length of them.
Okay, just wanted to touch on this product here, the Moo hairdryer. Really great. As you can see, all the function it has. Comes with a diffuser as well. This pops off here easily. Okay, really good. Dried my hair quicker than, just as good as my Dyson. Okay, thank you.